Hi Flosstube, it's Jeannie again, and I am back with just a Flosstube Extra. I wanted to show you that I got my little baby sampler stitch finished and framed, and I'm really pleased how it came out. I didn't take the cellophane off because I need to mail it, or I either need to I'm either going to take it with me while I'm traveling, or I need to mail it, so I didn't really want to unwrap it. But I ended up having it framed at Hobby Lobby, but I ended up using a pre-made frame, and I think it turned out so cute. The frame looks like, it's a wooden frame, but it looks like eyelet. And I just had them stretch it and pin it and put it in the frame for me. And the glass didn't fit, but that's okay. But I love that you can still tell that the fabric is pink. And I love how it came out. So hopefully you can see that of course I got a kitty casting a shadow on it, but I thought it turned out so cute. And I thought about like matting it and putting it in a larger frame, or having it maybe an 8x10 with a mat, because this is a 5x7 frame. But it just, you guys, the piece is so tiny, it just overwhelmed it. So whoops. It overwhelmed it. So I decided to go with this, and I love it. In fact, my niece just posted pictures of the baby's nursery completed on her on Facebook. She's an interior designer, and my gosh, you guys, this is going to be perfect. It's very neutral with soft pink accents, and then she's got these little bunnies, like a ceramic bunny and a stuffed bunny all over. And I didn't even know that when I picked out this pattern for her. But anyway, so I'm super excited, and I'm trying to debate on whether or not I'm going to go ahead and mail it to them, because the baby was born in June. But I'm actually going at the end of September. I'm going to Indiana to see everybody. And so I'm debating on whether or not I should just put it in my suitcase and take it, or if I should go ahead and mail it. I'm not sure, but I kind of would love to watch her open it. So I might just, it's about 6 or 7 weeks away. I might just go ahead and take it. But anyway, I'm so pleased at how it came out. It's so feminine and dainty and sweet. So, and you can still see the sparkles in the fabric and tell that the fabric is a soft pink. So just loving it. So so that is the piece. And I don't know if you'll be able to see on the back, and I'm sorry I'm holding my camera, but like I said, it's a pre-made frame, so it just has an easel back on it. They had to do offset because of the thickness of it. He had to put in some of these offset clamps or whatever these are, because it's a little bit thicker. But overall, they did a really good job, and they did it in like 2 hours. So but anyway, I love the way it came out. I think it's going to look so cute in her nursery, and I'm really pleased. So that is my FFO. So excited about it. And then I have just a little bit of haul that I received since my last floss tube that I thought I would show you. I got my fabric of the month from Be Stitch Me, and this was the fabric for July, and it's really pretty. It's called Watermelon Slushy, and so it's more red than pink. It's crystal. Hopefully you can see that, but it's a kind of an orangey reddish color. Kind of looks like watermelon. To me, it's a little bit warmer than the color of watermelon, but it's a pretty fabric, and I'll find something to do with it. Probably be perfect for like a Christmas something or other. And then I also got an order in from Gavello Stitch, and I've talked about them before. You guys, this company is amazing, and they're out of Canada. They have really fast shipping. And the prices are good. The shipping is low, low to no shipping depending on how much you spend. And I think I mentioned in my last video I turned 60 in July, so I had a little happy birthday to me, and I bought a couple things. So I got this one is very popular. Sorry about the glare, but a lot of people have this one, and this is called Aurora's Garden, and so it's this beautiful tiger drinking out of what looks like a pond with florals. It's a full coverage, and they had Mereshka. It was like a week of Mereshka, and so everything was 20% off on the Marushka kits, so I went ahead and got this one. I really want to have one that's a wolf too. I really want that one, but I tried to show a little bit of restraint, and so I just got the tiger. And then I also finished out my collection of the seasonal samplers. And so I had already had, and I decided I bought my 2 favorites and then decided I really wanted to have all 4 of them. So these were ones I already had. So this is Autumn. I already had that one. And then I also already had Summer. So these were 2 of the ones that I already had. These were my 2 favorites. But you know, you get things in person and you're like, oh, okay, these are really pretty. And so I decided I wanted to have winter and spring. So here is spring. Super cute. And these are interesting because they have those little patches that you see on there. You stitch the background and then you stitch and sew those little patches onto the sampler. And I didn't even realize this had little brown bunnies on it. And you know, that's my jam. So there is spring, so I got that one, and then I also got winter. And this one's pretty too. It's got some kind of a winter bird. It doesn't look like a cardinal, but that really pretty winter scene and the poinsettias and berries and stuff. So yeah, so I just finished out my collection of the Marushka seasonal samplers and treated myself to Aurora's Garden. And I think this kit's usually about $60, and I think I got it for about $45. And then again, just wanted to show off my my baby sampler that I'm so excited about. So anyway, sorry I'm holding my camera today. I hope that isn't too shaky, and I hope you guys have a good August, and I'll see you soon. Bye.